Good day. In this video, we are going to learn the difference between the verbs been and gone. Been and gone come from the verb go. Go is the base form and it has two past participle forms which are been and gone. Now to understand their difference, let us use each verb in a sentence. First, Ian has been to Palawan and Ian has gone to Palawan. They look and sound the same but semantically they are different. Now let us go to been. Okay, when do we use been? We use been when a visit to a place is completed or finished. It means that the person who visited a place or went to a place has returned. In this example, Ian at a particular point in time went to Palawan but he has returned. He is not in Palawan anymore, however, it does not change the fact that he once went to Palawan. Now, let us go to gone. When do we use gone? We use gone to refer to an ongoing or unfinished visit. It means that the person who went to a place is still there and has not yet returned. In this example, Ian went to Palawan and he is still there. His visit to Palawan is not yet finished or completed. Now, to provide a summary, we use been when a person has returned from somewhere he visited, while we use gone when a person has not yet returned from somewhere he visited. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching and please like and follow.